Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the LED Starry Sky Projector by Romwish. It's a projection lamp, a night light with music player. We are Bluetooth and timer and remote control for children and adults. For a party, for a birthday, for a bedroom, or as home decoration. The magic Starry Sky Projector. It's a nightlight projects soothing stars, waves and galaxy patterns and transforms our rooms into a dreamlike effect and a dreamlike atmosphere. We create an impressive, magical and dreamy atmosphere at home, and we can also use it as a music player via Bluetooth. It is an ideal choice for bedroom, for living rooms, for playrooms and other interior decorations. We have Bluetooth, music speaker and music synchronization. The Galaxy projector can play our favorite music via a Bluetooth or a TF card. Its acoustical activated flashing mode allows the real fog to flash and sync with the sweetest music, bringing us a romantic and soothing relaxation. And we're creating an immersive sound and image atmosphere. This is a good gift for children, adults, and families. And dynamic multicolor projection and automatic timing mode. The LED Starry Sky Projector has a dynamic rotation projection of 10 colors. Different colors of the Starry Sky Night Light and the dynamic fantasy fog can be freely combined to form a variety of color effects. The Starlight Projector has a built-in 1 hour, 2 hour and 4 hour timer. The Star Projector light turns off automatically after the preset time. And it's really easy to install, and of course we have a remote control. This children's night light is powered by a USB cable that is easy to install. The remote control can select the color mode, brightness, 40% up to 60, 70 and 100%. In possible is 4 speeds mode and the lights on and off. We can change the music, the songs, and we can set the automatic timing function. We no longer have to get up to turn the Starry Sky lamp on or off, because it's remote control. And the Starry Sky Projector has high-quality LED chips with a service life of up to 40,000 hours. That's awesome, because that's a long time. We enjoy the starry sky with melody out of music box, pleasant lightning display, built-in Bluetooth speaker, delightful music via the Bluetooth or the TF card. We create a romantic, relaxing and cozy ambience. And the on-off timer is really cool. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. Job's done. We have a lot of optional colors, 10 of them. The Starry Sky will flash sync with the music in our phone if we are connected or paired with Bluetooth. That's awesome for street streaming, gaming rooms, parties and birthday rooms and gifts and parties and whatever you like to use that awesome Romwish Starlight Projector with Ocean Wave, Starry Sky, brightness adjustable, Bluetooth speaker, and remote control, and timer function. 1, 2, 4 hour timings, no problem. And a 3-level brightness mode, no problem. And it's suitable for all kinds of situations. Yeah. What I think really cool is think to the music. This Starry Sky Projector will dance thing with our music, and this make it really party-like. The built-in Bluetooth speakers, we like to enjoy music via the Bluetooth or TF card. It's really easy. We have the remote control. Easy to choose the color and the settings in the 21 keys remote control. We plug it in with power. Then you switch it on. And then we use the remote control. That means we can press the buttons on it. And we enjoy the night sky if we like. The Romwish Starry Sky Projector is really cool. And the length 13, the width is 13, the height is 11 centimeters. A power supply, USB port input voltage, that means DC 5 volt to ampere. The control method is 21 buttons, IR remote control. The AA batteries are not included, you can attach them by yourself. The lifespan is over 40,000 hours and it's not waterproof, okay? Go not diving with it. This automatically turns off in 4 hours. This is the standard mode. We will get a Starry Sky projector, an IR remote control, and USB cable, and so much joy. Because this awesome projector can make a wonderful ambience for us. This is the Romwish LED Starry Sky Projector. It's a nice lamp for night, for light, for music, with Bluetooth and timer and control by remote, for children's, adults, party, birthday, bedroom, home decoration as we like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.